Ever feel stuck because of your iPad's activation lock? Here's a tip that might save your day. Find My iPad and Find My iWatch are great for security. But what if you forget your password or buy a second-hand device? It can be a real headache. But did you know the serial number might help you disable these features? First, let's understand what these features do. They link your device to your Apple ID to protect against theft. That sounds good, right? Unless you're locked out. Now let's get into the bypass method. With the right tools and knowledge, some services claim they can use the serial number to disable Find My iPad and iWatch. But be cautious. Do your research to avoid scams. Remember, bypassing security features can have legal implications. Always ensure you're following the law and using these methods responsibly. If you found this info helpful, give us a thumbs up. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.